Welcome to Car Hub, where power meets precision and luxury roars with authority. Today we're diving into the 2025 BMW X6 M Competition, a high-performance SUV that combines coupe-like styling with sports car speed. This isn't just another luxury crossover, it's a beast in a tailored suit. With its aggressive stance, bold kidney grille, and aerodynamic silhouette, the X6M Competition demands attention before you even start the engine. And once you do, the real magic begins. Under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the X6M rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.7 seconds. That's supercar speed in a luxury SUV. And thanks to adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and precision steering, it corners with confidence and carves through curves like a performance coupe. Every drive is an experience, not just a commute. Inside, the cabin is where comfort meets aggression. You get M-specific sports seats, carbon fiber trim, merino leather, and a curved digital display that wraps around the driver. It's high-tech, high-luxury, and completely driver-focused. BMW's latest xDrive system with voice control, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ensures you're always connected. The ambient lighting, panoramic roof, and Harman Kardon surround sound system make every ride feel elite, whether you're pushing the limits or cruising in style. The 2025 BMW X6M Competition isn't just a fast SUV, it's a statement of dominance designed for those who refuse to settle. It's built for drivers who want the height of luxury, the thrill of raw power, and the prestige of the M badge, all in one package. So would you take this over a traditional sports car, or does the X6M give you the best of both worlds? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Car Hub for more performance machines, luxury reviews, and everything that makes driving unforgettable.